Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how can weaken the nightmare and destroy the grows in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So it is not that hard to do. What you'll need to basically aim at is the grows when we're open like this, as you can see, and it takes a lot of damage to the nightmare itself. So just basically watch for those, and as you can see, little by little you will be able to take all of them and basically beat the boss. So as you can see, there's on the other side, so use the grappling hook and just go around like this, and be careful to not get that red wave so you will not take damage at all. As you can see, those are not hard to do, it's really easy. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.